I'm going to make carrot halwa. I grind manually these carrots, couple carrots actually, they were big carrots. So I use this grinder manually. So I grind it. I need few things only. This is cardamom powder, which I'm going to put for to give little nice taste and smell. This is a seed, cardamom seed, which I ground it. These are sugar here. This is a 1 piece of butter, and I put it there's a little bit of almond. I need the finely last. So here I'm going to turn on fire right here. Fire is on, and this is a paneer which I need to finalize. I need last that one. First I need only this and milk. I'm going to add it. And I'm going to add some milk. This is whole wheat. I'm sorry, whole milk. So I'm going to cook approximately around 30 minutes, and I'm going to add sugar. I'm going to check sugar later. If I need more, I can add it. Otherwise, I should be fine. This is cardamom powder. I'm going to put it now. Only two things I need it last, which is paneer is already ready. I'm going to add that, and almond. That's all. So I'm going to turn off now. I will make short video later.